yummy oatmeal raisin cookies for my very best friends.
Ooh.
Paloma and Casey are gonna love them. Not yet. I'm taking care of our snacks first. You have to wait your turn, okay? Hi there, Mr. Chippy. You have to wait your turn, too. Spark, you need to be patient. Hey, where did the cookies go? Mr. Chippy, was that you? Give those cookies back. Oh. I'm not getting those cookies back, am I? Well, at least I have one left. We'll just have to share it. Tuck, put that down. My bag is not a ball. Give that back. I meant to me, not Tuck. Thank you. Sorry I yelled. Spark! What happened? Is everything okay? No, I brought 3 super special cookies for us to snack on. Yum. And then 2 disappeared, and I thought Mr. Chippy over there took them. But it really was the horses. All 3 of them.
So, no super special cookies?
Nope.
Even he got more snack than we did.
Guess the horses were hungry. They did carry us all the way here. And we all know that any snack a horse can reach is a horse's snack. You look like a magical princess. Why, thank you, Your Highness. So do you. The goodies are packed and ready to go. Hooray! Let's ride, Spark. What a perfect spot. We can even see the castle from here. Let's get this princess picnic started. Oh, Raina, did you think we would forget about you? Now you're a princess too. You don't want to be a princess, do you, Spark? Here you go, Prince Spark. Hey, let's sing a magical princess song. The forest animals will love it. And the horses, too. Spark loves our singing, don't you, boy? Let's sing a picnic song for the birds and the trees, for the leaves and the bark and Spark. Let's sing a princess song for the sun and the sky, for the deer in the woods and the baked goods. La-dee-dee, la-dee-da, la-da-da. Our princess song, it's working. Let's sing even louder. Let's sing a princess song for the sun and the sky, for the deer in the woods and the baked goods. We really are magical princesses. What was that? didn't come for our singing. They came for the snacks. Right, Mr. Chippy? But cake isn't good for animals. Let me find you some other treats. Oh my goodness, Paloma. It looks like we've left all our horse treats at the castle. Just kidding.
We brought oats and breadcrumbs just for you.
This is the best princess picnic I've ever had. It makes me want to sing another song.
Or not.
Hi, Princess Maylin. We're so excited about the banquet tonight. Me too. I'm just choosing my royal outfit.
Quick question. Before we invite all the animals, do we have to invite the dragon too?
Oh, I hadn't thought of that. But yes, we definitely should invite the dragon.
I mean, aren't dragons stompy? Stomp, stomp, stomp. And scary and... don't they have hot, fiery breath?
I don't know. I've never met one.
Me neither, and I'd like to keep it that way.
Good luck. I'll stay here and get things organized. It won't be a royal banquet if I don't make sure everything is extra royal.
Pony boy, won't you be my pony boy? Don't say no, here we go. Ride across the plains, oh, ride with me, won't you ride with me? Oh, giddy up, whoa, my pony boy.
Yeehaw! This is where Mrs. Owl lives. Go ahead, Casey. You do the invite. And make it royal.
Royal? Oh, okay. Ready? Do-do-do-do. 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 Hello, Mrs. Owl. With this trumpet call and a friendly smile, I invite you to the castle in a little while for a banquet in honor of the animals all around. Much royal fun and joy will be found.
Good job, Casey. Will you come, Mrs. Owl? Excellent. Oh, and do you know where the dragon lives?
See, even Mrs. Owl doesn't want to meet the dragon.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's visit Mr. Chippy next. Here's where Mr. Chippy lives.
Do-do-do-do!
Mr. Chippy? Maybe speak softly.
Okay, with this gentle call and a friendly smile, I invite you to the castle in a little while for a banquet in honor of the animals all around. Much royal fun and joy will be found.
Will you come, Mr. Chippy? Great. And do you know where the dragon lives?
See, Mr. Chippy doesn't want to meet the dragon either.
Let's keep trying. Unicorns next.
Do-do-do-do!
Hello, magical unicorns.
With this magical call and a friendly smile, I invite you to the castle in a little while for a banquet in honor of the animals all around. Much royal fun and joy will be found.
Will you come? Wonderful. And I don't suppose you know where the dragon lives? You do? That's great. Where? He lives under the castle bridge.
Oh no! to cross the bridge to get to the castle because the banquet is in the castle and there's no other way to get there. Okay, here we go. Do. With this dragony call and a friendly smile, I invite you to the castle in a little while for a banquet in honor of the animals all around. Much royal fun and joy will be found. How do you get a dragon's attention? Do you knock?
I know what I said before about inviting the dragon, but what if he is stompy and scary and fiery?
Well...
What if he's hiding? What if he jumps out at us? This was a terrible idea.
No, you were right, Piper. We don't know the dragon, so we have to see if he's friendly.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Dragon?
I don't see him on this side. Maybe he's under the bridge on the other side. We have to cross to find out.
We did it! There you are. The Royal Animal Banquet is all ready. How did it go, inviting all the animals?
Great!
But no dragon, I'm afraid. Too bad. Having a dragon as a castle guest would have been awesome.
Is that what I think it is?
The dragon!
He doesn't look too stompy or scary and no fiery breath.
Maybe he's friendly. Do you think?
Do we want to invite him?
Sure. Mr. Dragon, would you like to come to our animal banquet tonight? Yay! Then off to the banquet we go. The extra royal banquet. The animals are having a lovely time, don't you think?
Yes, I do. Especially the dragon.
Totally. I don't know why people are afraid of dragons.
They aren't scary at all.
Spark and I will get to the picnic first.
Not if Raina and I beat you to it.
Make way! Carriage coming through. Beat me both there.
Princess Maylin,
It's on.
I'm glad you were able to join us, Princess Maylin.
So am I. I've been practicing growing and shrinking spells all morning and have worked up quite the royal appetite.
Oh.
Bo too.
Good, because I've packed a delicious picnic feast for us. An apple, 2 carrots, 1 spark snack. Whoops! I may have been so excited about the picnic part, I forgot to pack the lunch part. This isn't enough for 3 kids and 3 ponies. Plus 1 hungry chipmunk. Princess Maylin, what if you used your magic to make more food?
I would, but I haven't learned any spells like that yet. Except maybe the growing spell.
Oh, that could work. If the food is bigger, there will be more of it to go around.
All right, I'll try the growing spell, but no promises. I haven't quite gotten the hang of it yet. Loopity-loop and loopity-lig. Take something little and make it big.
Yes, it's working!
Aww. Oh, please work. We almost had it.
Amazing catch, Spark.
a pony-sized Mr. Chippy.
And he has a pony-sized appetite to match. We need to get him back to normal before he eats a little bit of food we do have. The picnic would be ruined for sure.
Plus, we can't have a giant chipmunk loose in the kingdom.
May I please have the wand, Spark?
Thanks, boy. Now, let me try the shrinking spell I've been practicing. It's not perfect either, but maybe it will work. Loopity-loop and loopity-lol. Here's big Mr. Chippy. Make him small. Oh, I have a spell that might help. Huppity-uppity, huppity-dee. Delicious apple, follow me.
Great idea, Maylin. The apple will follow us, and Mr. Chippy will follow the apple. Let's go. We made it to the rainbow, but how do we get to the unicorn kingdom?
Last time we visited, a unicorn led us through the portal.
The secret door. The baby unicorn is helping us in. Come on. Hello, your royal unicorness.
Welcome! I see you have a new pony friend. Though I've never met a pony with such chipmunky cheeks before.
Oh, that's no pony. That's Mr. Chippy. Would you be able to shrink him back to normal with your magic?
Even better! I will teach Princess Maylin how to cast her shrinking spell correctly. What do you say?
A magic lesson from the Unicorn Queen? Amazing! Thank you!
The size of your magic movements needs to match the size of your spell. See?
Oh, okay, let me try. Loopity-loop and loopity-lol. Here's giant Mr. Chippy. Make him small. Yay! Way to go! With Mr. Chippy back to normal, maybe we can still have our picnic.
Don't you know? Unicorns love picnics, including me.
Wow, great magic, Unicorn Queen.
We'd love to share a picnic, but we still don't have enough food.
No worries, Piper. If the shrinking spell needs tiny loops, then a growing spell must need big loops.
Now you've got the hang of it.
Loopity-loop and loopity-lig. Take something little and make it big. You did it, Maylin. Now there's more than enough food here for everyone.
You know you have to share that, right, boy?
Watch Piper's Ponytails and subscribe.